Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one today. I want to fit the Mad Dat SR22 Datsun1200 throttle cable that I received in the mail. Really simple, really quick install. Let's get into it. So this is the throttle cable made to the right length from Mad Dat. I've already slid the cable end into the throttle body. You can open the collar with the screwdriver to make enough room to do this. It's quite simple. I still have the original throttle cable fitted, so let's remove that. So I've got to remove this, which you can't see much of, but I'll go into the inside first. So, I don't know if you can see, if I move some of that stuff, basically, so I don't know if you can see, but the throttle cable here, and there's a little pin up there that you've got to pull it through. So I'll see if it comes out without stretching it out, but I might need to stretch it out a little bit. Now, it turns out it comes out really easily. Next step, back into the engine bay. Whoa! Just got to turn it by hand. Rusty old bit of shit. And it's gone. Okay, so I really wish the washers were a little bit bigger here. I've put that in, obviously. This is tight. I can tighten a lot harder, but I really want to put bigger washers in. Hey, push it right down there. That's probably safe. And tighten that more, I will. But yeah, I think this is going to be a zip tie here. I'm missing that one part there. And now line it up. And screw it on. There's really not much room left in this engine bay. Alright, that's on. I'll leave it like this for now and go to the cabin. Same thing back to front, if it will fit, which essentially it should onto the throttle. It's actually a really easy install, except now this won't go in. I wonder why. There's plenty of it's a little bit fatter, the cable, so I have to stretch it out. Piss off your wires, you wiry cunts. Here we go. Basically, it was just widening it a little bit, same as how I opened the seam sealer tin with the screwdriver, and whooshka, it's in. You screw driver in that gap there, and you just twist, and see, it'll open that top part up. And this is alright, and yeah. Funnily enough, down here, you can't really see it, but there's probably about, right there, there's an inch. I can't really get a side-on angle, but of extra play. I don't know how tight it's supposed to be, but it works, but there's definitely an inch of play. So can you leave in the comments below if this is a good thing, or should I somehow get rid of that inch of play? That's totally off and not foot touching it. Foot touching it, so it sort of primes it. That's foot to the floor. Foot off, totally not touching it. Seems alright. And the last piece of the puzzle. Will it fit? Nah, that's disappointing. What's a build without zip ties somewhere in the engine bay? Damn. There's no hole at the bottom there, so zip tie is not going to happen today. That's a shame. I'll have to figure some other way to sort of keep that in place. I don't think it's going to be a massive problem, but it would be nice to have something just holding it there. Anyway, no zip tie for today. See you on the next episode, boys.